In a shocking incident from Odisha's Mayurbhanj district, the body of a woman was discovered on a hilltop near JF Jamudia under Kaptipada police station on Friday. The deceased has been identified as Mamuni Pradhan from Jayantipata village. Her body was found at Sapana Hill, about 3 kilometers away from her home. While the exact cause of death is yet to be confirmed, the family has alleged foul play, claiming she was murdered. Police have recovered the body and launched an investigation. This comes just weeks after another grim discovery. The body of an unidentified young woman was found dumped in a roadside drain near Thianal village in Devgarh district.
से काली पाखरु पड़ी जे कहले से बिल आड़े रागी की पड़ी आज आम देखले गछर टंगा ही
कौन है तो आम जानने सी घर लोक कही पठे जे पलैची तुम भौणी रागी की आउ देखिए टे आम खोजाखोजी कला मिललानी काली आज सकाल एपट गाँ देकी फोटो आउ नंबर देकी जाइए आउ से छतुगुड़ी तो आसते ना कौन लोक देखिए खबर देले मर्डर होई।